21, and 22. Ara na, say amen. Alright. Basaw na itong tanandungan. Okay, ready, start. Jesus answered and said unto them, Verily I say unto you, ano na son? If you have faith. Anong buod sila sa faith? Taking God at His word. Kung anong ginampal sa Diyos, muna, that's it. Alright, padayon. If you have faith, ano yung kadua? Ang warning, and doubt not. If you have faith and doubt not, you shall not only do this, which is done to the fig tree, but also if you shall say unto this mountain, be thou removed and be thou cast into the sea, it shall be done. All right. Verse 22, and all things